Many may not know that one can lodge a complaint with the Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Minister through the EZ-Adu mobile application. How to lodge a complaint with the Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Minister through the EZ-Adu mobile application. EZ-Adu is an application developed by the then Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs Ministry in 2015. It allows consumers to file a complaint through their smartphones by filling up the complaint form and uploading photos or documents, such as receipts and items purchased, to support the complaint. Complaints not within the ministry's jurisdiction would be channeled to relevant agencies for further action. Minister Datuk Seri Salahuddin Ayub said his ministry would take immediate action once it received a complaint through the application and resolve it within 14 days. Once we get a complaint, I will directly send it to my officer to investigate and take action fast. We have a set of standards that we need to follow. As a minister, I'm willing to engage with the operators. Come to me, come to us, the ministry, he said. Consumers may file online complaints through eaduan.kpdnhep.gov.my or email to e-aduan@pdnhep.gov.my, or they can choose to visit the nearest ministry office. Consumers must also make it a habit to ask for purchase receipts from businesses. If they fail to provide receipts, the public may report the matter to the ministry via WhatsApp at 01927943117 or 01984888000, or contact its call center at 1-800-886-800 or its Enforcement Command Center at 03-888-26088 or 6245.